everyone, it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we'll be making a coffee cup 3D version. I've not seen one of these, at least when I've been looking. I've not seen a 3D version of a coffee cup or teacup. So this one is a new die set from alinacutle, and you get a base, you get the sidewalls, and you've got the lid and an accent piece for the lid, a koozie, and then of course hearts and some coffee beans. So I left these together just so I can cut them much quicker, but really fun, easy to make. And so what you'll need is 2 pieces of the actual coffee cup, 1 lid, a koozie, and then the accent piece, basically to break up the pattern. I decided to make the pattern based on the lid instead of the other way around, just because the koozie cup I did put pretty paper to it. So just putting it together like that, it's just there's no contrast, and I'll show you that later. Here are the side walls. You'll need 2 pieces of that, and then this one is called. It came with a coffee script. So really, I put 3 layers of cardstock here, just to give it some stability and strength. So let's get started. It's really quick. Let me show you. Alright guys, so what you can see here is the 3D version of this coffee cup. You saw in the video I put both flaps on the same side, so I had to take it out so I can build it. If I put both sides on the flap, like I put it here and here, that's double, and there's nothing on this side. So that's why you saw it, that I was taking it apart very slowly, and was able to do so without breaking or ripping the paper, so I was able to save it. but here's the coffee script. And so what can we put in it? Definitely we can put candy, right? All sorts of candy. We can put Hershey's nuggets, Kisses in there. We can put Whoppers or bite-sized candies. You've got, you can put all that stuff in there. It still looks good. You can tuck it in, and then you can definitely put a gift card in here. Well, when I say that, if you can see it, it's a little bit, because it's narrow on the bottom, it doesn't really sit flush. Gift card, you can force it if you want, but I wouldn't. If you just lean it a little bit, it will, it will fit. And then you can put candy in there, or what's it called? A little hand sanitizer and a lip balm in here as well. So you can see that. And then you can put a string on it like this in this little hole. And so I do have a string or a ribbon. Just, pull it through the hole. And then basically tie it up, create a ribbon. Right? And then that's your cute little teacup. We like tea, not coffee. But there are a lot of people who love coffee. So this is great for coffee lovers, tea lovers, anybody who likes this little cute. It's a good way to present a gift card. Like I said, you can fit a gift card in here, a hand sanitizer, and a lip balm. And of course, you can put candy in here if you choose. But wouldn't this be a cute present for your coworkers, anybody that you can kind of gift, leave at their desk as a surprise? Or what I've been talking about is like office staff at school. They're always sometimes forgotten compared to the teachers. Of course, teacher gifts. I only decorated one side, left the back side blank, but you could definitely decorate both sides. But I think it's a really cute 3D. I mean, it fits in the palm of my hands, and just like, look, it doesn't fall apart either because you've tied it up with the ribbon, and just really cute. If I was to sell this at a craft fair, aside from the gift card, I think it would do well. Of course, you'd have to price it up considering this hand sanitizer and the lip balm, depending on what brand you get. So that is a cute little gift. It's easy to make. I like the contrasting piece. I love the stitching on it. So really pretty. So that's my one. And then, of course, I did another one with the lip balm, hand sanitizer, and a gift card in there. And so this is not Christmas, but definitely, you can make it for any occasion. Good for party favors, wedding, whatever you choose. This is so cute. Like, I'm flipping it upside down and it's not budging, so it's pretty cool. And then my last one, same thing, same, gift card, lip balm, and hand sanitizer. And this is more Christmassy, and I use twine instead of ribbon, So just really cute gifts to make and to put in. Cute little stuff, probably maybe even a good stocking stuffer. I mean, it's pretty secure, so even though there's a hole here, it's secure whatever you put in here. So that is my creation for this week. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. This is available on Amazon. Again, the company is alinacutle, and she has really good dies. They're really sturdy. They're not flimsy, and she has really good creations. So if you guys like 3D projects, I would check out her stuff. She's pretty innovative in that sense. So please let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll leave the link down in my description again, and hopefully you guys have a good week, and hopefully you guys had a good shopping Black Friday, and then Christmas is coming, so Christmas tree will go up this week for us as well. Thank you guys. Have a good week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.